I've created some article markup that includes a heading and some article content. You can see that over here in the browser we have this big display heading, and then we have our article content below that. What we want to do is place our article heading along the left hand side of the screen and then place it vertically. So let's head over into our styles, and to start we'll actually add a display flex to our article. And we don't want our text to wrap, so we'll do a white space, no wrap. Next thing that we want to do is place the heading vertically. So what we can do to achieve that is use writing mode, and we want to do a vertical left right. So we're close. Next thing that we can do is we're just going to add a background, and we can see here that our article heading isn't necessarily all the way to the left of our screen because of line height. So what we're going to do is reset that line height. So we'll do a line height of 1. That gets us close to the left. And then what we can do is add some margin right to our heading.